Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is going to be on Sandbox.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Sandbox. And as you guys may know, this is not financial advice, so always do your own research, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this video.
If you don't know what Sandbox is basically a metaverse project. It's one of the first ones, and it's also one of the largest ones. And they obviously incorporate NFTs, as all metaverse projects do. And yeah, it's just very interesting with what the project's trying to achieve, and how well it did just from the idea of it right at the beginning. It went to $8, its all-time high, as we see down here, $8.40. We're currently 60% down from there. During November, when the big metaverse hype was happening, we went to $8, and as you know, as we see here, we came all the way down, almost 70% down. But our market cap is still $3.6 billion market cap, which is still a really big project. As we see, we rank number 40 in all of cryptos. But as the metaverse actually starts to build up and become a real thing, of course this will build up with it, if this is one of the projects that is the metaverse as we want to know it. What I always say is, of course not financial advice, is for metaverse, if you're looking to get rich in the metaverse, I would say in all the big metaverse projects that there are, and there are a fair few, you should split your money up into all of them, because you don't know which one is going to actually be the metaverse. Right now it's just a game, let's be honest, it's just a game right now. It's not the proper metaverse quite yet. We've still got a long way to go with it. Yes, it's very insane with how you can buy your in-game items. It's on smart contracts, the NFT version point of it. But just as with NFTs as well, we've still got a long way to go with it. But that means early, that means opportunity. So we've got an opportunity here with Sandbox, that's for sure, and all of the other ones, all the other metaverse projects as well as Sandbox. But there's not really too much to talk about here. I want to get into the technical analysis, so let's get straight into technical analysis and see if it is bullish on the charts or not.
Okay, from what we can see on the daily time frame, we have had a massive rejection lower. This is like similar to all of the altcoins that we're seeing. We're seeing a trend line formation, which could be a breakout signal within the next maybe a couple of days. And it is showing like we are going to be reaching it, the middle of March potentially. And that could be something that could be insanely bullish if we do think that this is going to be an insane bull run. And, this is looking like it is going to be breaking out soon, and I do think this is most likely going to be breaking out lower just because of Bitcoin's recent performance, and that's something that we can potentially anticipate. The 4-hour time frame, as you can see here, if I just get rid of the volume, refresh the chart, as you can see right here, we are seeing massive reductions lower, and it is not looking promising to say the least, and it is not looking like something that may continue to move up higher. As of right now, we are not making them higher highs and higher lows, and it is not looking like we are potentially going to be reaching that $4 big figure right here, since that is going to be a massive psychological level. If we do break out, and that could be a fake breakout to $4 before we do drop down lower again. The hourly time frame, from what we can see here, we are seeing nice lethargic moves. As you can see right here, we are making high highs and high lows. Hopefully this pattern can continue to form as soon as we break out here, and hopefully that can continue, and we don't want to see any bearishness if we do break out higher. And that's something that people don't understand. If we do break out higher, we need to consistently make that upward trend, and we don't want to be breaking that trend. And if we do break that trend, then most likely we are going to be dropping lower. So that's something that we need to see take place for us to continue to move to all-time highs and high highs.
So that is now the end of the video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then we really would appreciate a like and also a subscribe. It would mean a lot. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.